Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and safe at home and enjoying your studies. So, my dear student, as you know, myself Khushbu Darani and I am taking your English and grammar. So, today we will learn English. In previous lecture, what we have learned? Do you remember that? Yes, in our previous lecture of English, we completed reading of lesson number 3, A Day in the Jungle. So, my dear students, today we will revise fair book notes of chapter number 3, A Day in the Jungle. So, before starting our today's session, I would like to tell you a very nice quote, a very nice thought. So, let's start. See here. First, let's read the thought. Education is the key to unlocking the world, a passport to freedom. Education is the key to unlocking the world, a passport to freedom. Means, through education, you can get freedom. You can get the bright future. So, education is the key. You can unlock your bright future with the key of education. So, let's see what is the meaning of key here. K means knowledge. K stands here for knowledge. E stands here for empowers. E stands here for empowers. Y stands here for you. Y stands here for you. Knowledge empowers you. Key means knowledge empowers you. So it is said that education is the key to unlocking the world, a passport to freedom. So my dear students, I hope you understood this quote and you will keep it in your mind. So let's start with our today's topic. So, most of you have completed all the fair book notes, right? So, this is the golden chance for you. So, whoever has completed the book, they have to check the spellings with this. That is why we are doing revision. If you missed something in your fair book, you can note it down. So, my dear students, take your fair book and pencil with you and let's start our revision. If you missed anything in your fair book, then you can write down. Okay, let's start. So first, with a nice handwriting, you have to give heading hard words. Hard words. Okay, let's start. Number 1, J-A-Y-A, Jaya. Number 1, J-A-Y-A, Jaya. Number 2, V-A-R-U-N, Varun. Number 2, V-A-R-U-N, Varun. Number 3, J-U-N-G-L-E, Jungle. J-U-N-G-L-E, Jungle. Number 4, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Number 5, C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G, chirping. C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G, chirping. Number 6, T-R-E-E-T-O-P-S, treetops. T-R-E-E-T-O-P-S, treetops. Number 7, G-U-I-D-E, guide. G-U-I-D-E, guide. Number 8, A-double-C accompanied. Accompanied. Then number 9, sanactuary, sanitary. sanactuary, sanitary. Number 10, pointed, pointed, pointed. Number 11, peered, peered, peered. Number 12, porcupine, porcupine, porcupine. Number 13, Bristol, Bristol. Number 14, quills, quills, quills. Number 15, spines, spines, spines. Number 16, canopy, canopy. Now let's move to the next hard words. Number 17, camouflaged, camouflaged. Number 18, surroundings, surroundings. Number 19, merge, merge. Number 20, explained, explained. Number 21, binoculars, binoculars. Number 22, leopard, leopard. Number 23, woodlands, woodlands. Number 24, rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Let's move to the next hard words, that is number 25, calf. Here L is silent. calf, calf. Number 26, THICKET, ticket. Number 26, THICKET, ticket. Number 27, DAGGER, dagger. DAGGER, dagger. Number 28, MAJESTIC, majestic. MAJESTIC, majestic. Number 29, MACHAN, McCann. MACHAN, McCann. Number 30, LANGUARS, langurs. What it is called? Langurs. Number 31, RANGER, ranger. RANGER, ranger. Number 32, PUGMARKS, pugmarks. PUGMARKS, pugmarks. Then number 33, that is SAMBAR, sambar. SAMBAR, sambar. Number 34, SCATTERED, scattered. SCATTERED, scattered. Number 35, ADORABLE, adorable. ADORA, adorable. Number 36, FROLICKED, frolicked. FROLICKED, frolicked. Number 37, strength. STRENGTH, strength. STRENGTH, strength. Number 38, FANGS, fangs. FANGS, fangs. Number 39, REMARKABLE, remarkable. REMARKABLE, remarkable. Number 40, HAPPILY, happily. HAPPILY, happily. So how many hard words are there total? 40. 40 hard words. So I hope you have checked it in your fair book that you have written each and every hard words. So let's move to our next topic. That is, our next topic is meanings. Our next topic is meanings. So let's start. Number 1, peered. Number 1, peered. So what's the answer? Looked carefully. Looked carefully. Number 2, bristled. Number 2, bristled. Answer is stood upright. Stood upright. Number 3, merge. Number 3, merge. Answer is mixed. Answer is mixed. Number 4, kill. Number 4, kill. Answer is animal killed. An animal killed. Number 5, dagger. Number 5, dagger. Answer is a small sword. A small sword. Number 6, alarm. Number 6, alarm. Answer is an awareness of danger. An awareness of danger. Number 7, track down. Number 7, track down means follow. Track down means follow. Number 8, pug marks. Number 8, pug marks. Pug marks means footprints of the tiger. Footprints of the tiger. Number 9, frolicked. Number 9, frolicked. Frolicked means played about happily. Frolicked means played about happily. So how many meanings are there? Total 9 meanings. Let's revise it again so you can check it in your fair book properly. Okay? Peered, looked carefully. Peered, looked carefully. Bristled, stood upright. Bristled, stood upright. Merge, mixed. Merge, mixed. Kill, an animal killed. Kill, an animal killed. Dagger, a small sword. Dagger, a small sword. Alarm, an awareness of danger. Alarm, an awareness of danger. Track down, follow. Track down, follow. Pug marks, footprints of the tiger. Pug marks, footprints of the tiger. Frolicked, played about happily. Frolicked, played about happily. Now let's move to our next topic, that is give one word. Our next topic is give one word. So let's revise. Number 1, a platform that is built in a tree. A platform that is built in a tree. Makan. What is the answer? Makan. Number 2, a deep sound made by an animal. A deep sound made by an animal. Below. What is the answer? Below. Number 3, a dark brown deer with branched antlers. A dark brown deer with branched antlers. The answer is sambar. The answer is sambar. Number 4, thin sharp spines on a porcupine's body. Answer is quills. Answer is quills. Number 5, branches and leaves of trees that form a cover high above the ground. Branches and leaves of trees that form a cover high above the ground. The answer is canopy. Answer is canopy. Number 6, an area of land filled with trees. An area of land filled with trees. Answer is woodlands. Answer is woodlands. Number 7, the young one of a rhino. Calf. The young one of a rhino. Calf. Number 8, a group of trees or bushes growing close together. Answer is thicket. Answer is thicket. So, let's revise all the give one word again so you can check it out properly in your fair book. So, let's start. Number 1, a platform that is built in a tree. Makan. Number 2, a deep sound made by an animal. Below. Number 3, a dark brown deer with branched antlers. Sambar. Number 4, thin sharp spines on a porcupine's body, quills. Number 5. Branches and leaves of trees that form a cover high above the ground, canopy. Number 6. An area of land filled with trees, woodlands. Number 7. The young one of a rhino, calf. Number 8. A group of trees or bushes growing close together, thicket. So how many given words are there total? 8 given words. So let's move to the next topic, that is fill in the blanks. What is the name of our next topic? That is fill in the blanks. So move to the topic and check in your fair book. Number 1. The children and their parents went on a jungle safari in a dash. The children and their parents went on a jungle safari in a dash. Answer is wildlife sanctuary. Answer is wildlife sanctuary. Number 2. They saw a dash bristling its quills. They saw a dash bristling its quills. Answer is porcupine. Answer is porcupine. Number 3. The guide was looking through his dash when he spotted a leopard. The guide was looking through his dash when he spotted a leopard. The answer is binocular. The answer is binocular. Now let's move to the number 4. That is, unlike leopards, dash and dash find it difficult to climb trees because of their weight and large size. Unlike leopards, dash and dash find it difficult to climb trees because of their weight and large size. So what's the answer? The answer is tigers and lions. Tigers and lions. Number 5. The guide was trying to dash a tiger by listening to the animal's calls. The guide was trying to dash a tiger by listening to the animal's calls. The answer is track down. The answer is track down. So let's revise all the fill in the blanks together, so you are having a chance to check it. Okay. Number 1. The children and their parents went on a jungle safari in a dash. So answer is wildlife sanctuary. Number 2. They saw a dash bristling its quills. The answer is porcupine. Number 3. The guide was looking through his dash when he spotted a leopard. Answer is binocular. Number 4. Unlike leopards, dash and dash find it difficult to climb trees because of their weight and large size. The answer is tigers and lions. Number 5. The guide was trying to dash a tiger by listening to the animal's calls. The answer is track down. The answer is track down. So my dear students, today we will do here till fill in the blanks. So let me show you the summary of the session, that what we have done in today's session. So in today's session, first we have seen a very nice thought. Then we revised hard words. So how many hard words are there? Let's see. Total hard words are 4040. How many hard words are there total? 4040 hard words. So I hope you all have checked all the hard words, and if you have missed anything, so you have written in your fair book from the hard words. Then after hard words, meanings. So how many meanings are there total? total 9 meanings. So, you have written all the 9 meanings in your fair book. If you have missed anything or you have done any mistakes, so this is the chance to make it correct. After meanings, we have completed give one word. After meanings, we have completed give one word. So, how many give one words are there? Total 8 give one word. And I have written all the answers with red color so you can easily find the answers and you can make it correct in your fair book if you have missed anything or if you have written wrong anything. After give one word, we have completed fill in the blanks. After give one word, we have completed fill in the blanks. So, how many fill in the blanks are there? Total 5. Total 5. So, total 5 fill in the blanks. So, I hope you have written it properly in your fair book. So, my dear students, these were the revision till the fill in the blanks. First, you have to write hard words, then you have to write meanings, then give one word, and then fill in the blanks. And all the things where you have to write in your fair book. And all the topics you have to write in a new page. A new topic should be always start from a new page. So, my dear students, I hope you remember the story of this lesson. What's the story? The story is about all the animals, about the jungle safari. In this lesson, what we have learned? We learn about the specialities of different kinds of animals and about the specialities of human beings. So, what is the speciality of human beings? That we are having remarkable intelligence. We can not only protect ourselves, but we can protect animals also. Like animals are having a different kinds of specialities, that remarkable intelligence is our speciality. So, I hope, my dear students, you have checked till fill in the blanks in your fair book. So, from complete the following we will do from our next English lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.